In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a receipt in Xero and send it to your customer. Managing your finances efficiently is crucial for any business, and knowing how to properly generate and send receipts can really streamline your accounting process while also improving your customer experience. So let's walk through this step by step in a simple and practical way. To begin, log into your Xero account and take a look at the top navigation bar. This is where you control most of your financial activities. From here, go ahead and click on the Sales tab. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options available. From that menu, select Invoices. This will take you to a page where all your invoices are listed, including both paid and unpaid ones. This section acts as your main hub for tracking customer transactions. Now, the next step is very important. You need to locate the specific invoice you want to create a receipt for. Remember, receipts can only be generated for invoices that have already been paid. So scroll through your list and find a paid invoice. Once you find it, click on that invoice to open the detailed view. Here you'll see all the information related to that transaction, including dates, amounts, and customer details. Next, look for the payment section within the invoice. You should see a linked payment, often displayed as a clickable reference. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you to the Payment Details page. Now that you're on the Payment Details screen, direct your attention to the Options button. Click on it and a small menu will appear. From this menu, select Send Receipt. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you double-check this carefully to avoid sending the receipt to the wrong person. After that, you'll have the option to customize the email message. This is a great opportunity to add a personal touch, maybe a quick thank you note or any extra information your customer might need. Before sending, take a moment to review everything. Check the email address, confirm the invoice details, and make sure your message looks good. Once everything is ready, click Send. And just like that, your receipt will be delivered directly to your customer's inbox. This simple process not only keeps your financial records organized, but also builds trust with your customers by providing clear and professional documentation. If you follow these steps consistently, managing receipts in Xero becomes quick, easy, and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.